In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join Roblox Slap Battles Discord server. If you're looking for the official Roblox Slap Battles Discord server, you've come to the right place. In this guide, I'll walk you through the process of joining the server using an invite link. It's a quick and straightforward process, and once you're in, you'll be able to chat with other players, keep up with announcements, learn about updates, participate in community discussions, and connect with other fans of the game. To begin, open the Discord app on your computer or mobile device and make sure you're signed in to the account you want to use. Once Discord finishes loading, look over to the left side of the screen where all of your servers are listed. At the bottom of that list, you'll see the plus icon used to add or join a server. Click or tap that icon to continue. A new menu will appear with several options. Scroll to the bottom and choose the option that says Join a Server. This will open a window where you can enter a Discord invite link. At this point, you'll need the invite link for the official Roblox Slap Battles Discord server. If the video you're watching includes the invite in the description, simply copy it from there, then paste it into the invite box. If you're entering the invite manually, make sure you type it exactly as provided, since even a small mistake can prevent the link from working correctly. After entering the invite, take a quick moment to confirm that everything looks correct. Then click the Join Server button in the bottom right corner of the window. Discord will process the invitation, and if the invite is still active, you'll be added to the Roblox Slap Battles Discord server within a few seconds. Once you've joined, you may be greeted with a welcome screen or a rules channel. Many large communities ask new members to read the rules or complete a simple verification step before gaining access to all of the channels. Be sure to follow any instructions that appear so you can unlock the full server and participate in conversations without any issues. That's all there is to it. Open Discord, click the plus icon, choose Join a Server, enter the correct invite link, and select Join Server. After that, you'll officially be part of the Roblox Slap Battles Discord community and can start exploring everything the server has to offer. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel.